guess the biggest question between those two things that I always think about is the controversy of whether or not people like a rocker pedal or people like the two pedals for forward and reverse. Is that entered into it being a big deal with people when they're selecting a tractor?
Yeah, so the treadle pedal on the Kubota tractors is a little bit of a hot topic for some folks, definitely. I am not personally a big fan of that rocker pedal, the treadle, you know, where you push forward or backwards with your heel or your toe. You know, I think you get used to it if that's the only machine that you're using and you're using it over time. You know, I talk to a lot of folks, though, that have knee issues or hip issues or whatever it is, and you just can't really control the heel portion of that motion very well. And some folks will use their toe to pick up on the front of the pedal and then also push down on it, kind of go underneath and pick it up to go reverse and that kind of thing. So there's ways around it. A lot of their models also, unfortunately, have the brake pedal right above the hydrostatic pedal, which I don't think is a very good design. However, you would think if it was that big of a concern, then Kubota would have done something about it at this point in time. So it's really just about operator preference. It's not for me, but I don't think it's a deal breaker for a lot of folks in the grand scheme of things. You know, the same can be said for the John Deere side-by-side pedals. And why didn't they put the go forward pedal on the right like a vehicle would be, and then the brake, or the backwards at least, on the left-hand side? You know, they got that flipped backwards as well, and so that kind of makes you wonder also.